one of our two cars of my husband. That's mine, and that's my husband's car. His car is a new one, 2023. Mine is 20, I think 2018. So a little bit older than him. His car is pretty good. Ooh. Hello. And that car, that's my husband's car.